Musumbe Dr. William Ruto niwaweta kana uwau wa Ebola ula nthi ya Congo ni uwau wailite Kusiiwa muno wa Kenya O Undu Umwe na nthi ile ingi Vala Waweta nthi ya Kenya Niyikiite Walanio Mwailu Kuikiithya Niyokitana Ethiwa Nukumila Musumbe anena uwe nthini wa ndambuka yake nthi ya Finland kabindani kale kombanite na musumbe wa nthi ya Finland Alexander Stubb kutwaisya uneananie yulu wa biasala utuika wa matuku a kisomo uima wa mwi O Undu Umwe na muo Titus no kutwelesya
inena gomanite na musumbu wa nthi ya Finland Alexander Stubb nthini wa ndambuka yake nthini wa nthi ya Finland Ruto ni waweta uwau wa Ebola ula wi nthini wa nthi ya DR Congo ta ukonetie nthi ya Kenya O Undu Umwe na nthi ingi Vala Waweta nthi ya Kenya ni yombanitie nesa kukitana na uwau uo Ethiwa Nukumila.
The Ebola case in DRC is a source of concern for Kenya, as it is a source of concern for all people globally, in our region and globally. And as a responsible nation, we took the very early steps of making sure that we organize ourselves, we prepare ourselves to take head-on whatever situations that would come our way with respect to this pandemic. We have set up along our borders, especially borders that have people who cross from DRC. And just for context, we have thousands of Kenyans in Eastern DRC. We have soldiers in Eastern DRC, and it is natural that for us as a nation, we need to prepare ourselves. So we have set up 23 isolation units, places where we can deal with this challenge.
Onge Ruto ni waweta kana ni makiithilela saa hii tina wa nthi ile kukwatiania kwa ilia ukwati waliokuwa nzeve utuika wa matuku uiti kusegwa kwa myanya ya mawia kuthanza cia mabiasala O Undu Umwe na kutwaisya maendeleo.
We have further signed a memorandum of understanding on cooperation in the areas of circular economy, bioeconomy, and climate change. This partnership will strengthen collaboration in environmental sustainability, climate resilience, resource efficiency, and green growth while supporting our shared commitment to climate action and sustainable development. We agreed to deepen cooperation in health, including universal health coverage, maternal, child, and mental health, medical research, and the local manufacture of essential medical supplies and vaccines. And I also shared Kenya's ongoing efforts under Taifa Care to ensure accessible and affordable health care for all citizens. We agreed to strengthen trade and investment ties and accelerate implementation of the Kenya-European Union Economic Partnership Agreement, to which Kenya and the EU are signatories. I thank His Excellency the President for facilitating engagement between our business communities and creating new opportunities for commercial cooperation, and we will be engaging with the business community in the course of this visit.
Ndilipoti ya bilinga wa mawoni tawa Titus Makau.